It's scary starting your first job, and I was worried I wouldn't have the confidence that I needed to push these big projects, especially being so new. The first week that I showed up, I was helping implement an RFID project on day 2. RFID it's basically what you use at the grocery store when you're done checking out and they have the system there to see if you purchased everything and it beeps if something went wrong. That's what RFID does. It tracks everything, whatever you put it on. So we have RFID tags that we put on our raw materials and our tools. Every time you implement a new project, there's going to be that challenge of getting everybody on board. There were days where we were training when we went live, and minute after minute something was going wrong, and having to face that and figure out what's going on and talk to frustrated operators. And then you get through the week and you look back and it's working. At some point it flattens out and everything starts to fall into place, and those moments make it worth it. You'd think that you find a problem, you come up with a solution, you put the solution in place, that's it. You move on to the next problem. But it's really a lot more than that. You can't just dump a new way of manufacturing into a facility and walk away from it. You have to tend to it. Manufacturing 4.0 to me is improving your processes through automation. To me, it's not just robotic system or having, big machinery that can make all of your product. It's putting in systems that can help assist you along the way, step by step. It's the new industrial revolution, Revolution 4.0. And if we're going to keep up with our competitors, we have to constantly improve what we're doing. It's been great. I've loved every second of it. There's been hard times and it's been challenging, but I love that I can show up to work every day and not work on the same thing. Every day is a new day, every day is a new problem, and I get to tackle it and get to go home feeling like I've done well.